Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fish pond. First, let's plan your perfect pond. Choose a spot that gets about 6 hours of sunlight each day. This helps prevent excessive algae. Decide on your pond's size and depth, ensuring it's at least 2 feet deep for fish to thrive. Gather your tools, including a sturdy shovel, a level, a durable pond liner, and a reliable pump and filter system. Now let's get digging. Excavate your pond, creating different levels for aquatic plants and a deeper central area, ideally around 2 to 3 feet. Make sure to remove any sharp rocks or roots that could puncture your liner. Lay down a protective layer of sand or underlayment. Then, carefully drape your pond liner, molding it to the contours of your excavation, ensuring it's smooth and wrinkle-free. With your liner in place, it's time for water and filtration. Install your pump and filter system according to the manufacturer's instructions, ensuring good water circulation and aeration. Begin filling your pond slowly, keeping an eye out for any potential leaks. Once filled, arrange decorative elements like smooth rocks, gravel, and a variety of aquatic plants to create a natural and inviting habitat. Finally, it's time to introduce your fish. Acclimate them slowly by floating their transport bag in the pond for about 20 minutes to equalize temperatures. Release them gently. Start with a small number of fish, allowing your pond's ecosystem to establish naturally over several weeks. Regular maintenance, including weekly water testing and removing any debris, will keep your fish happy and your pond beautiful for years to come.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.